In today's episode of Know Your Rights, we will be covering a video from the YouTube channel, Achu 1981, Houston, Texas. Please take a moment and head over to their YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. Today's video took place on November 29th, 2020 in Richardson, Texas. The man in the video was relaxing in his car in the parking lot of the Calvary Pentecostal Church in Richardson, Texas, when a car pulls up and an officer of the Richardson, Texas Police Department gets out. The man in the video at first is very concerned that the individual who got out of the car was actually a police officer or not, since the car was unmarked. After a few minutes, a marked police car arrives, and the man is now being questioned by two police officers. Now, let's dive right into today's video and break down this footage.
So what else is going on? I'm not answering any questions. I haven't committed a crime. What's your name and badge number, sir? Officer Ward, what's your badge number? 1423? Okay. What police department are you with? Richardson Police Department. Why did it take you some time to register that?
I'm just wondering why you're being so confrontational with me when I'm just doing my job coming out here.
No, sir, it's not.
Been burglarized in the past.
It's not confrontational. I'm just asking questions as a citizen. How come you're not driving a regular patrol car?
This is illegal.
Okay.
I'm not gonna sit here and do this with you, sir.
I just
I'm
have.
doing my job. I came out here, asked what you're doing. You said you're just hanging out.
I have questions. I just have questions. I noticed you're not in a regular patrol car. It kind of caught my attention when you rolled up in a vehicle that looks like a regular civilian vehicle. So I'm just doing my part to make sure that you're a legitimate officer. Can you have your sergeant come out? Okay, so you are a legitimate officer with the Richardson Police Department. That means nothing to me. I'm looking at the vehicle that you pulled up in. Okay, so I see another.
Identify yourself.
I see your. Okay, so I guess you called it in. All right, so you didn't call that in? Okay.
Why do you think I would come here from the main road?
So two people called in because I see another.
Well, go ahead and respond to calls with 2 officers.
Okay. Okay, so this looks a little bit better. Okay, this looks a little bit better. So that's all I was getting at. Man, I've had people.
He's recording, not one to identify himself.
I've had people. No, I'm not an auditor at all. No, I'm not an auditor. Are you a sergeant?
No.
What's your name and badge number, sir?
Right here.
Okay. Is there any reason why you got to get that close?
Do you work here for the church?
I was not going to answer any questions. I'm not committing any crimes or anything like that. He said that he got a call from some person that said that I was walking around, and he came to check it out. And
Right. Well, we wouldn't be here if we didn't get a call.
yeah, sure. But I've had encounters with your department before to where you guys didn't get calls, and I was trying to figure out how you guys even found me. But this is at another location. But what's your name and badge number, sir? Brookhart, what's your badge number?
995.
Okay, perfect. All right, and I was just trying to make sure he was legit because I've never seen a police vehicle like that.
We got a few of them that are.
That's like that? Okay, so I was just trying to make sure. It kind of alerted me a little bit. I'm like, who is this individual parked in front of me? Like, but when he got out, saw the uniform, it made me feel a little bit better. But
So what you up to today?
just hanging out, just trying to have a peaceful day,
Right.
not bothering anybody. Just
Right. Well, this church has been burglarized.
oh, okay,
Burglarized in the I don't know exactly when. It's been about within the last month.
really?
And so I don't know whether it's one of the neighboring businesses that called about it, or whether it's somebody from here. I don't really know, but we got a call saying somebody was around here, around the church,
Sure.
on their property, and
Okay.
they want us to check it out.
Sure. Just so you know, I am a licensed security officer, level 2, level 3, so I have no intentions of breaking in this building.
Okay.
I'm just.
You do understand though you are on like somebody's property. Correct?
You haven't confirmed that though. You don't know
Well,
that.
this is the church property.
I understand, but how do you know that I don't have affiliations with the church?
Well, that's why I asked.
Right. I didn't.
Right.
I refuse to answer any questions. So.
Well, they're entitled to make things as difficult or as easy as they like. So.
It's not being difficult, sir. I'm just asserting my rights. That's it. That's all I'm doing. So.
We're just gonna check into that, and if you go here to the church, if you work for the church and you're allowed to be on their property, then great. If not, well then we'll deal with that when we get there.
But you do understand that would be soliciting a trespass, right?
What's that?
You would be soliciting a trespass, right?
No.
You're trying to look into it. Do you have an incident number or a call number for the person that called?
Well, like I said, I mean, we wouldn't be here if somebody hadn't called.
Understood, but do you have an incident number or a call number? May I have that, please?
Not yet. I'll give it to you when we're done.
Oh, okay, cool. I thought you were walking off because we were done.
No.
Okay.
No, we'll be done here in a bit.
Sure. You tried to say I'm an auditor. I'm not an auditor. And then we got some vehicle that's in the cut off in the distance. I guess that's an unmarked police vehicle as well. I don't know. So that's what made me feel better about the situation, because the actual, marked police vehicle pulled up. See, somebody pulls up like this, I don't know what to think. I don't know what's going on. So.
Alright, Anthony, like I explained to you, we're out here because someone's calling me a suspicious person. I see it's happened before where you've been doing the same thing. So just be aware, if you keep doing stuff like this, people are going to keep calling in, and we're going to keep showing up. So if you don't want to see us, don't want to deal with us, don't do this particular activity.
Oh, what activity am I doing?
I mean, backed into a parking spot back at a church.
Uh-huh.
People think it's suspicious, they call us. I'm just letting you know that we continually contact you. This is the second time it looks like. So if you don't want to talk to us, I wouldn't do stuff like that, okay?
That's kind of suspicious because no.
Leave.
Have a good day.
No problem. You guys have a good day too.
Well, YouTube, I hope you liked this video. And please remember and go over and check out a Chew 1981 Houston, Texas YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this one, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, if you have a video you would like me to break down, please submit the video at knowyourrightsnews@gmail.com. The link is in the description below. Until next time, YouTube, you stay safe out there.